What is up, everybody? Jeremiah Patterson back here with another video. This time I'm going to do an unboxing. This is actually my first ever unboxing on this channel. So let's crack into it. Oh, and how many likes I want to say 20? Yeah, 20 likes, you guys. Alright, let's see. Slowly open up this. Okay. Oh. Oh, that's cool. Got some Old Spice, you guys. So you'll see. Comes with hair stuff, shampoo and conditioner. 2-in-1. That's the first thing. Now, which one?
The one on the big box.
This one?
The one on the big box.
This?
Yeah.
Okay. It's something small, so I probably won't have to keep this going for long. So, this is the second, part of the unboxing. If I can get it. Oh, there it goes. Have to find the right spot. Sorry about that. Wait a minute. Oh, wow. Got, let's see, the many phases of Metallica. Oh, wow. I don't know if you guys could see that. I think it's a record, isn't it? CDs, you guys. It's CDs. It's all their music and stuff. I haven't seen Metallica yet, but I really do want to. So leave a like in the description, or leave comments in the description if you like Metallica and want me to go and see them. Just leave it in the comments. Okay, which one? The one back behind that big one?
Behind it.
Thinking this one?
I just see it. Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna open up this one, you guys. So, oh, sorry, maybe you guys can't see. Takes me a while to open up things. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. Oh, got me a new headset, guys. Look at that. New headset. Comes with everything you would need for a new headset.
Controller.
Yeah, and controller, you guys. This one is Xbox.
Yep.
Digital. It's for the newest Xbox. I'll show that in a little bit in a separate video, because my mom, or my dad, and my mom got it for me. So my aunt got me these things that want it. If if you guys want to see me use this record for a future unboxing music video, let me know, you guys, and I'll just keep that in the comments. Okay, which one, Aunt Wanda?
What's that one?
This one?
Yeah.
I don't know. We got something big.
Wait a minute, let's see.
Awesome. You guys, let me get all this cleared off. Now, I know you guys have seen these, so I'm gonna put them right here. Put my shampoo right here. Oh, open it. Okay. Now this is a big one. I know you guys probably can't see, but I'm gonna have to do it at an angle. Now, I have not done one of these before. I have seen videos on these, so I'm doing my best here. Oh, this one's fragile, so whatever you guys do, if you get the fragile ones, be extra careful. I'm just giving them a heads up.